So Apple recently rolled out macOS 26 Beta 2 update for all the supported devices. This update fixes a lot of bugs seen in the previous update. So let's see how you can install macOS 26 Beta 2 update on your Mac. So first of all, click on this Apple icon on the top left corner. Now here click on System Settings. Now this will open System Settings. Here on the left pane, click on General, and then on the right side, click on Software Update. Now as you can see here, this is checking for the updates. So wait until the process is completed. So as you can see here, this shows macOS 26 Beta 2 update. And here you will see two options, Update Tonight and Update Now. To install the update right now, click on Update Now. And if you want to install the update later, then click on Update Tonight. So I want to install the update right now. So I will click on Update Now. Now click on Agree. After this, enter your Mac's password. Now click on OK. And this will start downloading the update. Now once the update is downloaded, you can install it. So this is how you can install macOS 26 Beta 2 update on your Mac. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.